Now, Italy's Prime Minister says a nationwide lockdown will be extended as the country struggles to cope with the COVID-19 pandemic. Another 475 deaths there have been recorded. That's the worst toll in any country in a single day. More than 4,200 new infections have also been confirmed. Italy's death toll is now approaching the 3,000 mark, almost the same as in China. Now, the country has been living in lockdown for more than a week. Businesses there are shut, and people have been told to stay home unless absolutely necessary. Now let's go live to Pescara in central Italy, where our correspondent Hermione Kitson is standing by. Hermione, what are authorities saying about this latest spike in deaths?
Well, authorities really are very concerned because the number of cases just continues to rise. Now almost 3,000 people across Italy have died as a result of the coronavirus outbreak, and the hospital system really is at breaking point. Frontline healthcare workers say they've never quite seen a situation like this in Italy before. They describe the situation like a war zone. There are makeshift hospital wards being set up in car parks and also in warehouses. They're really struggling to keep up with demand. The government has announced that they will push through 10,000 medical students early in a bid to boost capacity. But in terms of that spike we have seen in the past 24 hours, it's really hoped that this is the peak we have been waiting to see. And now, hopefully, we will see a reduction in terms of the infection rate. We will, though, just have to wait and see.
Hermione, and now we know that the lockdown will be extended. How are people responding? How will it impact them?
I think Italians expected this. The lockdown is difficult. The measures are very drastic and the penalties are very harsh. Those found outside of their house without a valid reason, they face on-the-spot fines or they even face jail time. But I think Italians, perhaps in the beginning, even if they were a little bit complacent about these measures, now they really are taking them very seriously. And they understand that unless the number of cases start to stabilise, that this lockdown will just continue.
All right, thanks for that. Hermione Kitson speaking to us from Pescara, Italy.